I am not here to tell you I've figured out the Forex market. I'm just here to document my journey through it, the wins, the losses, the mistakes, and the lessons most people don't show. Hi, my name is Oluwakemi Patrick, and this is the Trading Journal. I have watched a lot of trading content over the years, and it focuses on results and not the process. You will see entries, profit, and screenshots. You barely see the hesitation, the doubt, and the discipline it takes to stay consistent. So instead of trying to look perfect, I've decided to document my journey honestly. In 2026, I'm choosing transparency over hype. In this channel, you will see how I actually trade the Forex market. You will see how I analyze the market, how I prepare before section, why I take some trades, and why I walk away from others. Some trade will play out while some will not play out. And if they don't play out, I won't hide them. I will also bring them here for you guys to see. Trading is not just about charts and strategy. Trading is discipline, risk management, and also knowing when not to trade. This last one is a very important thing you need to know, learning when not to trade. There are days you follow your plan and still lose, and there are days you win because you stay disciplined. So this journal will document those moments, not just the good ones. If you are looking for signals or quick money, this channel might not be for you. But if you're a trader who wants clarity, structure, and also real look at what consistency looks like, then you're welcome to the right place. My goal here is simple. I will show up consistently, I will trade intentionally, and I'll also document this journey honestly, even when it's not comfortable for me. This is not just about being perfect, it's about getting better over time. So if this resonates with you, kindly please subscribe to the Trading Journal and follow along so that you can see my videos going forward. Here we are not hyping, we are just following the process. This is episode 1. The journal has officially opened. Drum roll. Alright guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.